Welcome back, future billionaires. It's the Dollar Preacher here, ready to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Today we're delving deep into an essential skill, one that can truly transform your life. We're talking about budgeting your paycheck. Now don't let the word budget intimidate you. It's not about depriving yourself of all the things you love. Instead, it's about understanding where your money goes, making conscious choices, and most importantly, securing your future. So, let's begin this journey with the first step, which is understanding your income. Whether you are paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, it's crucial to know exactly how much money you have to work with. Once you have a clear picture of your income, it's time to move on to the second step, tracking your expenses. This includes everything from the rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries to the morning coffee. It's essential to know where every dollar goes. The third step is to categorize these expenses. There are two main types of expenses, fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are the ones that stay the same each month, like rent or car payments. Variable expenses, on the other hand, change from month to month, such as groceries or entertainment. The fourth step is to create your budget. This is where you allocate specific amounts of your income to different categories. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. This means 50% of your income goes to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or paying off debt. Now that you've allocated your income, the fifth step is to stick to your budget. This might seem difficult at first, but with and practice, it becomes second nature. Remember, the goal here is not to restrict, but to empower. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom. The final step in this journey is to review and adjust. Life is unpredictable, and so is our income and expenses. So it's essential to review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. So, in summary, budgeting your paycheck involves understanding your income, tracking and categorizing your expenses, creating a budget, sticking to it, and regularly reviewing and adjusting. It's not just about managing money, but about gaining control over your financial future. Remember, the road to becoming a billionaire starts with a single dollar. So, take that first step today and watch as your financial future transforms. Until next time, this is the Dollar Preacher signing off.